We want you to check out this video our Mount Washington Tower cam caught capturing a rainbow after showers moved out earlier this evening. The rainbow could be seen for several minutes before disappearing into thin air. And we did see a little bit of sunshine throughout the day today, but we're hoping for all the fathers out there and the families celebrating their dads that we're going to see a lot of sunshine tomorrow. I
think we're going to be in better shape tomorrow because we're going to have a little area of high pressure, some sinking air in place across the region. That'll help to suppress scattered shower and thunderstorm development. So we're not going to see that during the day tomorrow. We'll start out pretty cool in the morning. Many of us down into the low to mid 50s, which is a couple of degrees below normal for the end of June. And then we'll rebound pretty nicely back into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees tomorrow afternoon and evening. But you will notice those clouds increasing across the region. That will be in advance of our next storm system. We'll talk about that here in just a little bit. Still a few isolated showers continuing this evening, one to the north of St. Clairsville here in Bedford County, another one just to the southwest of Johnstown, and then back over toward Ligonier and Greensburg. This is just about it for tonight's rain with that system departing. But I want to take you out to the Central Plains because this is where things are very active this evening. You see this strong upper level disturbance rotating around the ridge down in the desert southwest. This is going to be our system to arrive on Monday, giving us a chance of rain and thunderstorms. A lot of severe weather tonight across Kansas and Nebraska with that system, and we'll eventually see that work its way east as we head into the day on Monday. Before that, we have clear skies, cool conditions. Any of those scattered showers that are out there this evening will diminish. Tomorrow should be a partly cloudy day, dry conditions pretty much from sun up to sundown, but we will start to see cloud cover increase after sunset, and then the first rain showers with the leading edge of that system will move in after midnight and last through around 6 a.m. on Monday. Now, Monday morning, we could see some pockets of heavier rain, especially north of this warm front. I think areas, especially from the Pittsburgh metro, the turnpike north toward 422 and I-80 could see some heavy downpours early in the morning. Then we break free into what we call the warm sector Monday afternoon, where temperatures will go up a few degrees and it will be humid as well. And we're going to have to watch areas south of this area of low pressure and this cold front because that's where we could see some scattered thunderstorms redevelop during the afternoon and evening hours of Monday. Some of these could produce some heavy rainfall, and there is a low end potential of some severe weather as well. Level 1 out of 5 from the Storm Prediction Center, which just means isolated severe weather will be possible. The main thing we're going to be watching over the next 24 hours is just how unstable we get, because sometimes when you get a big massive rain in the morning, that can prevent things from destabilizing during the day. So we'll keep an eye on that, and we'll let you know how this progresses over the next 24 hours. Regardless, I think all of us do see a pretty decent amount of rain, lighter amounts to the south and east of Pittsburgh, but as you work your way back to the west and to the north, especially from 422 up toward I-80, this is where amounts could top 1 inch. The good news is, I think because how dry it's been as of late, especially north of the city where we are running a little bit of a rainfall deficit, the rainfall should be in check and help us to avoid flooding issues. So we'll watch Monday closely for showers and thunderstorms, pretty much an all-day type of an event there. Dry Tuesday and Wednesday, temperatures in the upper 70s to near 80, and then with pattern turns active toward the end of the week, more shower and thunderstorm chances Thursday and Friday.